Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix HTTP 431 error code in Google Chrome. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Google Chrome, then click on three dot top right corner, click on settings, click on privacy and security, click on clear data. Here you select advanced, little bit scroll down, select password and other sign-in data, select autofill form data, select site setting and select hosted app data. Then select here all time. Then click on clear data. After clearing the data, restart your PC or laptop. Hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you fix HTTP 431 error code in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.